Why is phonics so vital in early education? This is a question that may stir the minds of many. It's because phonics is the foundation of literacy. It's the key that unlocks the door to reading and writing. Welcome to the world of Jolly Phonics, a comprehensive approach to teaching literacy through synthetic phonics. With two unique courses, the International Certificate in Jolly Phonics and the International Diploma course in Jolly Phonics, we aim to provide a complete understanding of phonics and its importance in early childhood education. The International Certificate in Jolly Phonics is a one-week course that introduces you to the 42 letter sounds that are the building blocks of the English language. Learn the art of blending these sounds and the technique of formation. Master the tricky words that often baffle young learners. On completion of the course, you will receive a hard copy certificate, an ISO-certified recognition of your new skills. Included in the course fee are PDF instruction books, teacher's books, and pupils' books. Then we have the International Diploma course in Jolly Phonics, a 2-week journey into the depths of phonics teaching. This course goes beyond just what to teach. It also covers how to teach, how much to charge, how to advertise, and even how to open your own Jolly Phonics Center. In this course, you will dive deeper into the 72 letter sounds, including long and short sounds. Discover the G rule, the C rule, the rabbit rule, the magic E rule, the doubling rule, the flossy rule, and various spelling and CK rules. Learn about R control words, silent sounds, and the wall of doubling rules. Engage in fun games and activities that make learning phonics a joyous journey. The diploma course provides you with a PDF of 13 international books and 1,000 worksheets. You will also receive a hard copy of your certificate, a testament to your expertise in Jolly Phonics. So why wait? Enroll in our courses today. Unlock the magic of phonics and open up a world of literacy for young learners. Whether you are a teacher, a parent, or someone interested in early childhood education, these courses will equip you with the knowledge and skills to effectively teach phonics. Remember, phonics is not just another subject. It's a critical skill that forms the basis of literacy. And, as the saying goes, a child who reads will be an adult who thinks. So come, join us on this journey of learning and teaching, and let's make a difference in the lives of young learners.